Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby.
Hey, welcome back everybody. We are now in Chapter 3, which is a unit on ecology. Today we are going to define ecology and we're going to investigate the different levels of organization found within ecology. For this unit, we need to define ecology as the scientific study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their surroundings. The level of organization of ecology is based on smaller levels until we get to the largest level, which is biosphere. So we're going to start small with species, and we're going to continue through each level until we reach the largest level. So we'll go over species, populations, communities, ecosystems, biomes, and biospheres. The smallest level of ecology is known as species. These are organisms that are so similar that they can breed and reproduce fertile offspring. Our next level is when you take groups of these individuals that belong to the same species and live in a same area. So in this picture we have a bunch of waterfowl, birds that live on water. They're all the same species. So they are all members of a population because they're all within one particular area. The next level of organization is called a community. Community are assemblages of different populations that live together in a defined area. So in this case, we're taking two different animal populations that belong in the same area. If they're in two different parts of the world, they're in different communities. If they're in the same area, they are part of the same community. Our next level is called an ecosystem, which is a collection of all organisms that live in a particular place with their non-living surroundings. So in an ecosystem, we have many populations that live there. They are our biotic factors, the things that are living, such as the plants and animals and anything that may have been living at one time, like a tree that is now a log. And then you have your non-living, which are called abiotic factors, which are your rocks, the water, the things that are not living, the sunshine, precipitation. These are all non-living factors, which are called abiotic factors. When you take a group of ecosystems that have the same climate in similar dominant communities, that is called a biome. So a collection of ecosystems is called a biome. This is our next largest level of organization within ecology. Down here are three different examples of biomes. You have the desert biome, the temperate forest biome, and the polar or boreal forest biome. The biosphere is our largest level of organization found within ecology. The biosphere is everything found on the planet. So if we go into outer space and look down at the Earth, kind of like what we're doing in this picture, everything that you see is part of the biosphere. So it's very, very, very large. Today's objectives were to define ecology. It's how animals interact with their surroundings, and also to investigate the different levels of organization of ecology, which we did starting with species as the smallest, and moving towards the biosphere, which is the largest. If you have any questions, please bring them to next class.